In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a new order in WooCommerce. We're going to walk through the full order handling workflow, from opening the order in your dashboard to marking it as completed once everything has been fulfilled. This is an important routine to get right because it helps you stay organized, avoid shipping mistakes, and keep your customers informed throughout the process. To begin, open your WooCommerce dashboard and go to the Orders section. This is where all incoming orders are listed, and from here you can identify the new order you want to process. Once you find it, open the order details so you can review everything carefully before taking any action. The first thing to check is the customer's billing and shipping information. Make sure the details are complete and look correct, especially the shipping address, since this is what you'll use to send the package. It's a good habit to review this early so you can catch any obvious issues before the order moves forward. Next, review the products included in the order. Confirm that the items, quantities, and any variations match what was purchased. While you're here, also look at the payment status. This helps you verify whether the order is ready for fulfillment or if it still needs attention before shipping. If payment is required for the order, confirm that it has been received. This step is especially important because you generally don't want to ship an order before payment has gone through successfully. Taking a moment to verify this can prevent unnecessary problems later. Once everything looks good, prepare the customer's order for shipment. Gather the correct products, pack them securely, and get the order ready to send out. Careful packing is part of good service, and it helps ensure the customer receives the order in good condition. If shipping information or tracking details are available, add them to the order. This keeps your records up to date and can also make it easier to communicate shipment progress when needed. Keeping this information organized is useful both for you and for the customer experience. As the order moves through each stage, update the order status accordingly. This helps reflect the current progress of the order inside WooCommerce and makes your workflow easier to manage, especially when handling multiple orders. Finally, once the order has been fully fulfilled and everything is complete, mark the order as completed. This indicates that the process is finished and closes the order properly in your system. And that's it. That's the full process for handling a new WooCommerce order efficiently and accurately.